good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Welcome to a brand new day in JA. JA in my house, but we're in France. You guys, I have been up for a minute now. I just finished getting my workout in and got myself fresh and ready to take on today. I have a bunch of stuff on my agenda as per usual. Hopefully you guys are doing well and staying loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and all the good stuff going into the weekend. Though by the time you guys will see this, the weekend will be long gone and my planting is spoiling. No, I'm not wasting it. The middle is spoiling, so I'm cutting off the edges. You guys, when you have precious things, you can't waste them. Okay, girl, you gotta know what to do. Anyway, you guys, everybody is up and cracking. Baby's gone to work. Tyler is around here doing what Tyler does best, being Tyler. Sarah just went down for a nap, so you guys will see the princess when she gets up from her nap. And I am here making some breakfast, and on my breakfast menu this morning I am having a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I'm having a little plantain, some avocado, and some eggs. That's what breakfast is for me this morning. So yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy the rest of today's vlog. I'll show you guys the kids as the day goes by, but right now let's get done with breakfast. So today is rainy. It's very rainy outside, and we have supermarket run to do, so don't miss the supermarket haul at the end of this vlog. Coronavirus in France is just kicking up. Yo, it's just behaving bad. So yesterday we had over 40,000 cases in one day. That's the highest we've been in a long time. So the entire country is now under curfew. No one can't be seen out after 9 p.m. each day, and this will go on like that for 6 weeks. So that's the coronavirus update. Hopefully where you are, you're wearing your mask, you are sanitizing, you are staying safe. Listen, I don't like to do controversy, but I'm sure some of you by now would have seen the video circulating of our dearly beloved, the Gargamel himself, being mad at the country for the measures that they are taking to at least help to control corona somewhat. Listen, my Jamaicans, let me tell you something. You guys are smart and uno no fool. Uno wear no mask. You hear me? It's not just about you alone, but it's also about people around you. You can't be selfish. When the younger ones, probably it's harder for them to catch it, but think about the elderly. Think about people around you. You don't know at what point you might come in contact with somebody who have it or give it to somebody. So the mask, it is not 100% effective, but it helps. It helps you guys. Wear your mask. Whoever don't want to wear theirs, then so be it. But if you still wear your mask and you catch corona, then you can't say you did not do anything to help to prevent yourself from catching coronavirus. You hear me? This Virus is no joke. People, wear your mask. I know my audience is a lot of people over 40, over 50. You guys, please wear your mask. Wear no mask. Wear no mask. Alright. If Budju don't want to wear his and whoever else under this earth don't want to wear theirs, then good riddance. Good on you. But like I said, it's not just about you. And you know, people won't listen and take heed until it hits home. When it hit close to home, that's when you realize that don't be foolish. Wear your mask, social distance, sanitize. When you go out and you come back here, you wash your hands. Yeah? Do what you gotta do. If anything to happen, it will happen, yes, but you cannot say you did not take the measures to do what you're supposed to do. All right. That was a bit passionate, but I get it off my chest. Say what I gotta say, okay? Anyway, you guys, that's my rant for today. Wear the mask. Wear your mask. All right. And you know, some of these people that think they're healthy, they won't know that they have some underlying sickness until them catch the coronavirus, and you hear that, oh, they have this and this and they didn't know, and complication happen. Listen me, you guys, wear your mask, and that's that. Anyway, I'm gonna go enjoy my breakfast. Have a good day. Stay blessed. Stay motivated, stay positive, stay healthy, social distance, wear your mask. All right, you guys, so that's breakfast. Grub time, looking so good. Come here, say good morning to the faves.
Good morning.
Good morning. Say hello. Say hello. Say hi. Yes. Good girl.
This time is not the solar system.
What are you doing?
This is about the moon.
Okay.
I'm going to show you what's all these.
Okay.
Sun, moon, earth.
Okay.
So you all know that the earth turns around of the sun and the moon turn around of the earth.
Okay.
So that's what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
And you know what? This, the moon, when it's on this side of the earth, between the sun and the earth, the person here can see the eclipse.
Okay.
And the eclipse is when the moon hiding the sun. You see, you all know is that because the moon is right here. The sun is right behind the moon.
Okay.
And when the moon is on this side, they can see the eclipse. On this side they can't. On this side they can't, because when the moon is on this side, it's just like if the sun and the moon was playing hide and seek, because the earth is between the moon and the sun, and the earth is hiding the moon.
Okay, I see. Good job explaining that.
And the person and here is just like if the moon was looking at the sun.
Okay.
And here, the sun finally found the moon. And here, the person that's here can just little piece of the moon and a little piece of the sun behind.
Oh, okay.
And the person here, when the moon is not there, the moon is almost there to see the eclipse. But when it's here, the person that's here can finally see the eclipse back.
Okay.
And also, yes, I'm going to pee.
Teacher did a toilet break. My boy's classic, I swear. Ella is giving lessons on solar system and planets. Sarah is in her own little world. I just finished feeding her. Take a break from working. Look at all this mess behind me, all the fandangos that I'm working with. So I need to go and give myself lunch and wake up. I'm so tired already, and it's just after midday. But yeah, that's what's going on around here. We're just cruise controlling on this beautiful wet soppy day. You guys, I have been working so hard today. I literally pushed out 3 videos today. One for our family channel, one for my food channel, and one for my workout channel. Y'all, that's a whole lot of work. And now I need to go and clean up this kitchen, and I also want to go to the supermarket ahead of Babe so that he can probably just come and pick us up. I don't know if I'm going to accomplish that, but let's see what can be done. Sorry. Yes, time.
I want to eat inside.
We're gonna take it home.
We have all of the supermarket goodies, Tyler.
And they're gonna defrost all the frozen things. All the cold things gonna become hot.
Okay.
You guys, it's been a minute since I talked to y'all. I left home, went to the supermarket all by myself with the kiddos, and look who come to get us. Say hello to the baby.
Hi guys.
Baby's just getting home from work, so it's easier this way when Babe just comes to pick me up than worse. The curfew is at 9 now, even though we always reach home before 9 if we had gone the normal route. Yeah, so went to supermarket. We're gonna pick up some fast food. Burger King is the choice. Look at this Chinese restaurant that we're passing. Oh, you guys can't see it properly. It's so pretty. So yeah, we're going Burger King right now to pick up some dinner, and then we head home for the supermarket, huh? Line lang. Burger King lang mine because it's dinner time and it's raining. Nobody ain't cooking.
Je vais prendre un menu, un normal double cheese bacon XXL.
Oui.
Avec frites et coca.
Avec ça?
Avec ça, je vais prendre un menu enfant.
Oui.
Avec nuggets, frites, coca et glace.
Nuggets, c'est ça?
Et la glace avec Nutella, je crois.
Oui.
Oui.
Ouais.
Par contre, c'est nuggets ou cheese?
Nuggets.
Ok. Avec ça?
Un menu wrap
Au poulet ou au fromage?
au poulet.
Ok.
Il y a des frites dans le menu.
Oui.
Un menu wrap
Oui,
au
normal.
poulet en normal. What you want to drink?
Frites et poissons?
What the hell?
Sprite.
Oui.
Sprite.
Avec ça?
Ce sera tout.
Ça fera 20,90 € à la prochaine cabine.
Ouais.
Bonsoir.
Merci, vous-même.
I can go like this.
Wanna come inside? Come here.
I could get her, Mama. I could catch her, Mama.
Inside now.
Tag. Inside. Tag. Tag. Tag.
Why you and Sarah so noisy?
Tag.
Oh, no noisy like.
Tag.
Hi guys, we are back from the supermarket.
What off? We come back from Burger King.
So aggressive. Why are you so aggressive? Get off the step. Get off the step. Go back on the step now. Alright you guys, let's kick off the supermarket haul until Papa comes. What is this?
Pancake for Halloween.
Listen you guys, I know nothing about Halloween, but Tyler liked the fact that they get to dress up and get candies. So we're gonna keep it that way. And he's also curious about carving. So we're gonna try it for the first time. So I buy one pumpkin so he can learn to carve. If he likes it, then let's see how next year will go. Anyway, king of the supermarket haul is here.
King of Sarah.
Alright.
King of Sarah.
Can you guys do the supermarket haul while I go look after Sarah for bed?
I always run.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it.
Papa, let's do it funny. Papa, let's do it crazy.
You're blushing. Alright, let's go. And babe have no idea what I bought.
That is
Where's our
Rosa.
Because baby sits
No, it's
serving this
Rosa.
big bowl. Oh, Tyler, this is for me. Cookies. Last time it was for Tyler and I. Every time with that, I love cookies.
No, it's not funny.
It's babe kryptonite.
I share with
She love
you.
cookie.
That is for me.
That is for you?
Yes,
What is that?
it's boat.
It's petit bateau.
Tyler loves
Petit
this little
bateau.
boat biscuit.
Petit bateau rose.
We have 2 apple juice. Apple
Let me
juice
show you
is
guys
on
what's
its way.
going on at the same time.
You took Oreo. You find Oreo.
Yes.
Look at
Look at
Sarah.
Oreo is
Look at
sweetened.
Sarah.
Oh.
What's wrong?
It's sweetened can't be eaten by kids under 6. Oreo 6.
Lie! Lies!
It's a lie.
It's untruth. Don't say lie. It's untruth.
5 plus.
Sarah, you can't find what you want.
I like what we.
Find something, give Sarah, please.
It's 5 plus.
Papa is just joking.
Oh, she too looking at the yogurt. That's why she took it. She looking at
Exactly.
it. We have chicken. We have compote, pure food, compote. Oh, we have milk. Somebody find. But why you take the wrong one?
Lie. Why are you so untruth? Oh my gosh.
Alright, what we have
You're
here?
a
We
hot
have
mess.
some chocolate for what? What's going on with that? Go get it. Another milk. Good milk. Like Sarah's still baby. What we have here? What is that, Tyler?
Tree.
Broccoli tree. We have fruit. Tyler juice.
With Sarah, look at Sarah down there. Look at Sarah down there.
Give me one of these.
We have salad and broccoli. Another broccoli. Oh, we have 2 oasis. You went at the oasis side.
Yes, for you.
Oh, for me.
Who else in here drink oasis? Only you and
The
Tyler.
red one. The red one.
Don't step on Sarah, she's behind.
Oh, I'm going to exercise with the
find what she wants.
What Sarah have? The same thing?
Yes.
Okay. You like this donut, Stella? You don't like the other one?
You wanted a change.
Alright, cool. Not cool for me. I like the other one. That's how I'm trying to convince him.
Papa, regarde, je fais de l'exercice.
You're strong.
We have
Bouillon.
honey. So why you took honey?
Because you need honey.
Honey and rum. I need the honey and rum. That's so cool. We have
And me too, not only Papa.
orange juice and we have it's pancake sauce. See what we have. Where this is coming from?
Canada.
How you know that?
Because matrix.
Look at Sarah. If you guys can only see
Canada.
Sarah got it one of the bag. And you don't finish.
What is that?
Take it away from.
Who's that?
Sarah, pull it one of
We
the
have some chicken and a chicken.
Sarah, come.
Chicken
Go back on the
breast.
step and come.
What do we have here? What do we have here? What yogurt?
I want you guys to see Sarah.
We have yogurt. We have
Did I take the right one for you?
kiwi yogurt,
That's yours.
pear yogurt. That's mine.
You and Sarah.
That's me
Pear
too.
yogurt.
Look at
Ooh,
Sarah.
look what somebody find hot stem.
Woohoo! Mel gained points today.
Go supermarket every week. Another one.
I gained points today. I found oxtail. Yes. Watch out. Look, you guys. Sarah gone with a box of
Oh, you
cereal.
did this one this time.
They didn't have the other one.
You didn't look properly.
They didn't have
You
it.
didn't look properly. They always have it.
Okay.
We have mango
Those are
tree.
mango.
We now eat. Sing with me, Tyler.
I don't remember
is
the
it?
song.
We not drink coffee, tea, mango time. Care how nice it may be, mango time. In the heat of the mango crop, when the fruits them are ripe and drop, wash your pot, turn them down, mango time. Hey! Hey, go Sarah. Watch her go turn up. Go. Hey, get it, girl. Yeah. Sarah, take away the cereal.
Whoa,
What do we have here? We have some
Okay, continue.
biscuits. We have
What did we say?
what is that?
Colorful.
Rasta.
What Tyler say it's what?
What is that?
Colorful.
Colorful balls.
No, it's not colorful. Well, this is Rasta color.
Butterbean. That's how you call that. Butterbean.
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 Yeah.
Look,
Whenever you see her do that, she's ready to go to bed.
Look, see Rasta color.
We have some happy biscuit again. A third pack. What is that? Oh, somebody loves that. Why is roach on your cereal bar?
It's not roach. You're a fool.
What is roach?
It's not roach. Look at Sarah.
Papa, where's the
Look at Sarah.
chocolate cereal bar?
Oh, this is for me. I love this.
No, this is for me.
I'm not gonna share that with you.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Who will know? Ah! Ty, go again. One more. Come here. Tyler lose.
Yeah. Oh, look at Sarah. Tyler, you want to do wax as a paper for your crepe?
Sarah, have it. You better go do rock, paper, scissors with Sarah.
Wax paper scissors for your crepe this time?
Rock, paper, scissors. Who will lose won't get no credit.
Scissors, one for my bar and one for my pancake.
Allez, for the crepe.
Can't let Papa study your Tyler.
So what you gonna eat?
Scissors, shoot! The cereal bar me!
package, guys.
Look at Sarah eating the crepe. Look at Sarah and the crepe. Look at
I
Sarah.
couldn't have the crepe.
Look at Sarah and the
Mama,
crepe.
I couldn't have the crepe.
That's okay.
It's really wrong.
You'll have some. Papa will share with you.
You're gonna have to do a big massage to
All right. In the supermarket haul, guys.
So you're gonna have to.
In the supermarket haul, Sarah and the crepe fighting.
Let's make sure to get it.
Merci.
Look how Sarah had the crepe. All right, Sarah. Tell Fibs bye-bye.
Papa.
Tell Fibs bye-bye.
Papa.
Tell them night-night.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Then enjoy your. That is the wrong way. Bye bye and enjoy your Burger King.
Anyway, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul for today. I am going to get my girl ready for bed and then I can eat. So, see you guys in a bit. You guys, this is what I got from Burger King. A chicken wrap.
So why didn't you do goat wrap?
Ew, I don't know goat cheese.
You don't like goat?
Stink.
I believe you love
I can't stand
goat.
the smell of goat
So why you always want to go to goat? It's a
I only
package.
eat goat.
It's
not
a
the
package.
cheese.
You have to take the cheese to get
No,
the meat.
thank you. So I have a chicken wrap. But where is the lettuce?
Add it. You put lettuce on the side.
No, it's down in there. So it's chicken, cheese,
It's
tomato,
called
lettuce,
chicken.
and-
Louisiana chicken. That's what it's called.
Yeah. So that's what I'm having.
Mama, what here is sweet?
What you had, you? Father?
Chicken.
Go to face what you're having.
Chicken nuggets. Is show.
And what you having?
And this is
And
what.
this is what baby's having, a double cheeseburger. And I'm 100% sure that he won't finish it. Because these days he's been eating so much veggies, his stomach shrink. He can't manage one sandwich anymore. So I don't know why I'm getting this big one, but I want to bite it. Oh, sorry.
You know how they call that in French?
Just call it Papa. What do you call what?
What you just did?
What?
A pork.
A pork?
A pig.
Mama, Mama,